Pelican Cargo Case mounting kit for Toyota Crossbed. To install the Pelican Cargo Case in your Toyota truck bed, remove the end cap on the factory rail and slide 2 nut plate assemblies into the bed rail. Fit the mount assembly and fasten M8 nuts loosely to allow final adjustment of the case. Move mount assembly along the rail into the desired location for the case. Repeat for the other side. Place cargo case into position in truck bed. Ensure there is clearance from the wall and window to be able to fully open the case lid. Case must be centered left to right in the truck bed. Swing the mounts to align with the case brackets. Insert clevis pins and R-clips to secure case. Fully tighten M8 bolts on both of the rails and the lower mount arms with a 13mm ratchet wrench. To lock and secure the case to the crossbed mounts, insert a Pelican TSA or similar lock through the R-clip hole and hasp to secure. To lock and secure the case lid, insert the locks through the latch hasps to secure. Repeat for the other side.